Hello, boys and girls. Mostly boys. We've got ourselves an interesting redemption by one drunk man. Simon, did you cry again from the tea? Not yet. All right. Mwah. Happy Gator-on kiss. Mwah. The happiest of all time. The most happy. So happy. Actually, so happy that I ate proto when? Never. Get fucked. How is everybody doing this Tuesday? It is Tuesday, right? It sure is. Howdy, Dad. Hi, Simon. I have nothing to do today. Nice. When will there be a veil of PP kiss? My F1 is still in Korea, unfortunately, so next week, I assume. Guion is a nice guy, yeah. I have 10 minutes. Impress me? Really? You want me to impress you? You want me to impress you? Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, macro. Oh, macro gone. Oh, macro. Oh, macro on. But wait, no, we want to see all the things, Simon. I no longer have an Atom Mini. It is unplugged, as you can see here. Well, now it's unplugged. There. This is the Atom. It's gone. Forever. It is kind of lit. It's going to be very handy for particular things. Yeah, so now all my cams are going into my computer directly. What's so special about the F1? It was $309 for a TKL that is gasket spring leaf mounted and has 6 internal weights. So where's PP cam? I want Gator-on cam. We normally... Oh, you mean like a dedicated like 4th camera just to be on Gator-on? I'm down, honestly. Ah, the tea is so hot. Let's not choke on it and die this time. Bjorn told me that they made like you did with the ISO with that board though. Yeah, I mean I've seen his costs. Bring back Gator-on slider. We will. We will do it on Friday. You have my word. You have my promise. Gator-on slider on Friday stream. What kind of tea is it? It is Twinings English breakfast. What's up, Tommy? What's up, all the fine boys? Some of you may or may not know, okay? First of all, part 1, some people are getting their 6-month badges today. Some people. The second thing is there's a new notification sound when you guys give me money. Don't actually give me money, but I'm just saying. Good morning. I mean, for me, it's like nearly 7 p.m., but good morning. So yeah, my F1 is delayed until next week. What we're going to do is we're going to take my CE, we're going to desolder the shit out of it, and we're going to mod those beautiful Gator-on clears. So I've put a lot of work into them. There's a new sound, but don't give me... Yeah. Actually, one person should give me money just so you guys hear what it says. It literally says, stop giving me money, you cucks. Am I dropping frames? Yep, I'm dropping frames like a motherfucker. Alright, step 1, make sure I'm not downloading anything. Yep. Step 2, drop my bitrate, because Twitch is asshole. Wait for it, we should be back, and we're good. This is why we talk at the beginning of the stream, before we do any crazy shit. Crazy shit. Hey Simon, today prepping switches for my 2.0. Oh god damn it. Stop giving me money, you cuck.
Fuck sub money Twitch tax.
Did you guys hear it?
Give me the new sounds.
Did you guys hear it? Did you guys hear it? I hope everybody heard it. Did you finish? Yeah, I have house. Jay, you didn't hear it? Well, I know how you can make it play the sound again. I didn't hear it, let's try again. What's that plush at the back? That is a peepee. It is a penis. This was sent to me by a viewer, and it is a 50 centimeter PP plushie. The volume is the maximum, by the way. I'll have to edit the source file to make it louder, I think. A lot of people are requesting that I add PP kiss. Wow. Oh, god damn it. You get one for free. Stop giving me money, you cuck.
I missed it too, what was it?
Don't add PP kiss. I'll make it a lot more expensive than Gatoron kiss, and I'll make it so I have to go over there to the PP and kiss it gently. Without picking it up. Bro, I didn't buy the PP. Don't kiss it. Okay there, buddy. Alright.